About grass that grows only 4 inches high. Grass that grows only 4 inches high is also known as no-mow grass. These low-growing grasses are perfect for the gardener who wants a low-maintenance yard. But they have other benefits as well. Grasses that grow only 4 inches tall are drought-resistant and require less watering. Since these grasses do not use energy gas-powered mowers and they need less water, they are one of the most eco-friendly lawn choices. The facts. No-mow grasses can be grown in any part of the country. The blend is different for those in the cold north than it is for those in the hotter southern climate. No-mow grasses love the sun and can take partial shade. But they do not do well in fully shaded areas. No-mow grasses also do not need fertilizer or weed killers. When you do not mow, or mow only once a month, which some people do to give a more manicured look, you do not open up the soil for weed seeds to take root. If you do mow every 3 or 4 weeks, just take a little off the top. Type. In the northern part of the United States and the coastal areas of Canada, the perfect no-mow grass is either fescue with no other types mixed in, or a mixture of fescue and rye. In the warmer southern climates, you need a special 50-50 mix that is extra drought resistant. There are special mixes that include clover, strawberry clover, yarrow and English daisies. Check with your local garden center for the perfect mix for your needs. History of. The first no-mow grasses made their appearance around 1996. At first they were only used in public places such as parks. As landscapers became more aware of them, they began to use no-mow grasses for commercial clients. It was only a matter of time before they saw the benefits for private customers as well. Function. Grass that grows only 4 inches high is perfect for areas that are hard to mow, such as hillsides. These no-mow grasses are also very popular with those who own more than one home. They can be in one place and not worry about having anyone take care of the grass at their summer home. Grass that grows only 4 inches high is a godsend for those with large tracts of land. And there is an extra bonus: dogs cannot destroy this grass. Significance. With the emphasis that is being placed on being eco-friendly in all phases of our lifestyle, no-mow grasses will become more and more popular. They will continue to play a significant role in landscape design, as well as help make our planet more like it should be, eco-friendly and green.